Hello, this topic is all about running a report in SplashBI. Running a report captures information that's been entered into Oracle Financials. This might be done for various reasons, including analysis, other management information, or for monitoring progress on a particular activity. This is the SplashBI homepage. When clicked, the double chevron will open the navigation bar. Each of the navigation icons are named. To run a report, click the Reports icon. The list of reports that are available to you is shown in alphabetical order. In this example, there are 10 pages of reports available. If you prefer, you can use the Grid View button, where the reports are listed in columns and show fewer pages. This view can be toggled depending on your preference. To display reports for a specific area of work, click the drop-down in the Search Business Application folder and select the relevant module. Or click into the Search Report field and enter all or part of the report name. All the reports with that part of the name anywhere in the title are returned. Hover over the name for a brief description and potential reason for running the report. If you'll be running this report regularly, then you might want to click the star to add it to your favourites. To run the report, click either the name or the run icon. Again, the description is shown, as well as some broad instructions for best practice in running the report. As part of the filters, the system will suggest a responsibility to use based on your access and the module that the report is associated with. This can be changed if necessary. Click the responsibility drop-down and select the best option from the list. Enter the other filters as required. Notice that some fields are marked as optional. All the other fields are mandatory. It's often better to use the magnifying glass to select the value and wait for Splash to load the results. The results are also returned in alphabetical order. Enter part of the filter name and the list will be reduced. Select the appropriate result and click the OK button. Enter any other filters as required. Date ranges are particularly useful, especially when running a report regularly. When using the calendar, Splash has a really nice feature. Instead of using the arrows, click on the month. The month changes to year and shows all the months. Click to select the right month. Then select the correct date. When all filters have been entered, click the Submit button. The report will now begin its run on the right-hand side of the page. Click the refresh icon to update the status. A green tick will indicate that the report is completed. The row count shows how many results have been returned. Click on the green tick for information such as the process ID and the start and end times. This report took only 3 seconds to complete. Click the process details link to return to the results. Click the outputs icon to view the actual report and a selection of outputs will be listed. We'll select the Excel option. Open the spreadsheet according to which browser you're using and click the Enable Editing button. The first worksheet is shown as a pivot if this function is available to the report. Other tabs show the original parameters, or filters as they're known in Splash, and the data behind the pivot. Save the spreadsheet as according to your local procedures. Some reports, such as the Project Status and Activity report shown here, offer a templated output. This particular report can be viewed at different levels. In each level, the output is offered as PDF or as Excel templates. Let's see how it looks. In this example, we've opted to use the Excel output, where, if necessary, I can manipulate the data. The templates arrange the data into easily readable formats with coloured headings. As we chose all projects for the Food Technology department, each is listed in the report in turn. Scroll down to see the detail for the first report. Scroll down again to see the next, and so on. Again, save and close your report as per your local procedures. Click the icon to return to the home page. Now on the home page you can see a list of recently submitted reports and any reports that have been added to your favourites list. Notice that there's a Run button next to each of these reports, and also reports that have completed, again from which you can find the process ID, etc., as well as being able to view the outputs.